Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to add robotic voice in videos. Open Word. Write anything there. Then go here. Press this button. You will get a voice like me. If you want a girl-like voice, then open Chrome. Then go here and press this. Write anything here. Press this. You need to record system noises. You will get a voice like me then. Okay then.
Please remember to subscribe and watch my latest videos. Please like the video and share it with friends. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.